In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best fossil discount promo codes in 2024. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and you'll have to search for fossil discount promo code. Right here, go to this website which is called couponfollow.com. And as you can see, we have a list with different type of promo codes that we can use right here. For example, if you want to get this one with 25% off discount, all you have to do is select your coupon code from right here. So this is the promo code. You can copy this code from right here, and you can apply that one on your next purchase in order to get a discount. Also, scrolling down a little bit right here, you should be able to find this website, which is called simplycodes.com. So right here, we also have a list with different type of promo codes, as you can see right here. For example, if you want to get this one with 15% off discount, all you have to do is select copy code right here, and this is the discount code. You can copy this one from right here and you can apply it on your next purchase in order to get the discount. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.